Hey there, we're back with another cookbook from our collection. Today we're making El Paso Arroz con Pollo. For this recipe, start by cooking the chorizo with water until the water fully evaporates. The recipe does call for cased chorizo, but we used ground chorizo because it's all our local grocery store had available. It's a bit more difficult using crumbles, but still totally doable. Once the chorizo is done cooking, use a slotted spoon to add it to a paper towel-lined plate and set aside. Then in the same skillet you cook the chorizo, place the chicken thighs with the skin side down. This step in cooking the chorizo can be a bit messy with splatter, so just be mindful of what's on your counter. Once you've got all the chicken in the skillet, season it with salt and pepper. And make sure to flip once while it's cooking so it browns on both sides. Once it's all done, transfer it to a plate and set aside for later in the recipe. Once you've done that, drain all but about a tablespoon of the fat from the skillet. Then add in the onions and stir a bit. Then add in the garlic and mix a bit with the onions. Then add in the red bell pepper. And then add in the jalapeno and stir everything together. Cook everything until it's softened. Then add in the rice, mix everything together, and cook until the rice becomes translucent. Finally, add in the chicken broth, white wine, dried oregano, saffron, and salt. Mix everything together a bit and then add in the chorizo. You might need to break up the chorizo here a bit if you're like us and had to use ground chorizo. Then add the chicken back to the skillet. Bring everything to a boil and cover it to put in the oven. Bake the dish for about 25 minutes or so until the rice is nice and tender. Once it's done baking, top with the thawed peas, cover again, and let it stand for about 5 minutes. Then serve and enjoy. This is a really easy recipe and the flavors all complement so perfectly. We'll be slightly reducing the amount and making again for the two of us for sure. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss next week's recipe.